Yummy!
Look.
Oh no!
This is baby.
What are you gonna make today?
Baby
Alright.
table.
Yay!
Yes, baby table.
Okay, you tell me what you have. What's this?
M&ms, soap, marshmallows, raisins, Cheerios, baby straws.
Yay! We're gonna start now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's...
I'm not tired.
Okay, go ahead and add it on your bowl. Okay. Here you go. Good job.
Okay. What is this?
Okay, is it sticky now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready.
Let's mix this. Okay, what's next?
Marshmallow.
Yummy. Looking at yourself.
Not the cheese.
What's next?
M&ms.
What? What did you do? Okay, pour them into the bowl. You're eating them. It's not what it's supposed to be. So next, eat, help mixing. You think that's good enough?
Yeah.
Are you done?
Here.
There you go. Whoa. Whoa.
It's a baby.
Okay. Alright.
It's a baby.
Alright. Spread it. Spread. You're stabbing them. Alright. Yay. So sticky. It's okay. It's okay. You can wash your hands. Ah. Good job. Just like that. Pack them together. Alright. Let's see what it looks like. Wow. See what Mia looks like. What? Hi. Awesome. Alright. Alright, let's cover it up now. Alright. Yay. Now we're gonna set this in the fridge for a couple of hours. So we're gonna record again later. See you later, alligator. Okay, you say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
346 minutes later.
Right after 2 hours or 3, we took out the one that Mia made earlier.
Come on. This is iPod. Try it. Try it.
No.
I like the small one.
A small one?
Yeah, small one. Get a small one because you're not gonna finish the big one.
I like it. You wanna try this one?
You get that now? Paper towel. Mia, get the paper towel, please. Get it. Get it.
Yummy.
Look.
No? I'm the only one who likes this. And Ben likes M&ms.
You.
Good job. There you go. You got it.
Okay, three more. There. Open it.